Human being is in search for existence of life on other planets since ancient times. We find many evidences on different places on Earth which led us to know about the life on other creatures in this universe. One of such places is Area 51, which has been kept a secret since long time by American government. Here is a special report by our correspondent.
Area 51 is a US Air Force military application located on Groom Lake in southern Nevada. It is administered by Edwards Air Force Base in Southern California. Area 51 is part of the Extraordinary Test Site, now known as Nevada National Security Site, a remote area of the desert 65 miles, that is 105 kilometers north of Las Vegas. This place has been kept so secret that even NASA is not a part of it. This place is considered to be the stronghold of aliens. There is evidence to suggest that aliens and their technology exist and are hidden behind its walls. However, its only confirmation is a flight test facility. Aerial vehicles are banned, even satellites cannot click live images. If a human is seen around there, the order to shoot him was revealed by a security guard named Fred Dunham. Not only this, there are magnetic sensors that stop air and road vehicle many kilometers in advance. But one thing has always arisen, that if there is a flight test, then why there is such a restriction? Why are ordinary citizens prevented from going there? There is one such person who worked in Area 51 named Bob Ledger, who is a space scientist. According to him, he had researched an UFO of an alien which could fly without any energy source. They discovered that the aliens were using a special metal whose atomic number was 115. It is a metal that acts on anti-gravity phenomenon. This element was discovered much later and named moscovium. But oddly enough, Bob Ledger revealed it several years ago in 1989, and the element was released in 2013. According to him, aliens can read someone's mind. He also mentioned that they have also worked with 9 aliens. When someone refused to believe his words, he also showed a picture of an alien. Another man named Boyd Bushman came out and was working as an aerospace engineer. He was a senior scientist who made a video, which was his last video, after which he died. He revealed some secrets related to aliens in that video. He told them that half of Area 51 employees were aliens. The aliens talked through telepathy. They talked about the structure of the aliens. Aliens are 4 feet. Their structure is similar to humans. They used to live 200 years. According to a report published by Wired magazine in 2014 and other news related to Area 51, people have seen an aircraft flying in Area 51 which works on color optimization technology. There are thousands of news related to Area 51. People who have worked have said that there are aliens there, but the US government always denied this. To find out about this, about 6 lakh people have logged on to Facebook and have requested to reach America's very high-profile Area 51. Such an event is named Storm Area 51. 20 lakh people expressed interest in it. America's intelligence agencies were on a high alert. The US military also warned people. When people raided together on 20th September, they could not find anything. No evidence of any UFO or alien existence was found. But some people believed that Area 51 is just a mess, just to create confusion. The entire mystery is in Area 52.